but the F80 front end is better. I said it. It's on record. For the most part, this car meets over. But I figured I'd just swing by because I was headed in that direction anyways. Still some nice cars. Like this M3 with the new updated grille. It's definitely an improvement. I love the graphic on this one. Based on the tires, doesn't look like he drives it that way. But whatever, cool car anyways. This 1M, man, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, the 135 is cool, man, but the 1M is something else. That's a proper 1M, mate. Yeah, I'm digging these two Ferraris right here. Beautiful. What else we got, man? Got some Nissans. Got a photo shoot going on over here. Let's go. Ooh. That is nice. It's called Daily Driven Exotics. Very nice. Alright, let's see if we can find some other cars here. There's always really nice BMWs here, man. Alright, dude, this is the lineup right here. Check out these boys. Check out these boys. 335. M2 Dynan exhaust. 135i Dynan exhaust. Nerdy 35. And we got an M235. Very nice cars. Very, very nice cars. Loving the look.
That's like, this is green.
Yeah, right.
Nice GTR. There's a lot of some JDM classics at this car meet. A lot of GTRs, Supras, all the big boys. Got ourselves a Supra. Man, dude, how do they keep these cars so clean? Such a clean car, man. Oh my god, A2JZ, dude. How did he get that plate? Alright, thanks for watching, guys. That's the end of this one. Stay tuned for more POV videos. And I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.